One of my proudest patronages is that of the Watercress line. I am a patron of the Watercress line. I get to look and listen and very occasionally ride on locos like this, Canadian Pacific, through the glorious Hampshire countryside on the Watercress lines. How can you resist being pulled along by this beauty? Green glass it's made of, I think it shines so much. It's just such an intrinsic part of our life in this part of Hampshire, and I'm very glad, without putting a fingerprint on it, to welcome it back. So this is one of the most powerful locos that BR had, isn't it?
In the southern region, the
Yeah.
most powerful engine on the southern region, yeah.
So top speed would be?
Here, 25.
Yeah, this is the Watercress line.
In BR days, it allegedly got to 105. It was meant to be the fastest merchant navy.
So from your point of view, driving it, don't be thrilling it.
Yeah, it's good fun.
And if the weather's like this, and the Hampshire countryside's looking as beautiful as it does in weather like this, you'll have a fine day.
Yeah, it'll be a great day. It's nice and sunny.
Right, we'll be back. We'll be back in summer too. But I don't even pat it because it's so shiny. Jamie, a boilersmith.
Yes.
Are there still a lot of you around?
Not that many. No, we're pretty rare breed in some respects. People that actually do just railway locomotive boilers. It is a fairly obscure skill. There are quite a few of us around, but not that many.
But at least we've still got you, so that when things like this are brought back into service, they're running properly.
Yes.
How hard a job was it? I mean, what sort of state was the boiler in?
Well, I came into the project when it just had the new firebox made and it's just been fitted. So my role in the project was when we started putting all the stays in, started getting the thing, basically started putting it together. And it was a physically hard project because there's 2,500 stays in one of these, and each one has to be headed over on the inside of the firebox.
If only we knew what he meant. It sounds wrong. It's like watching Mastermind, isn't it? You don't understand the question, you don't understand the answer, but it's impressive. You know, so a lot of work.
A lot of work, a lot of sweat, blood and tears, pain, anger, everything. You know.
So how long have you been involved altogether?
3.5 years on this.
So when she goes out back onto the line, I mean, my work here is done, though.
Pretty much, yeah, pretty much.
But that must be hugely satisfying.
It's massively satisfying, you know. I can safely say, hand on heart, that, you know, my work and my effort, and not just me as well, it's my little gang of volunteers that I've got that have been with me from the start of it. Bless them, and my oldest one's 76. And he's there with me helping, doing stays and tooling and stuff, so it's a big team effort.
How long have you been doing it? Are you one of these, like I was, a boy who always wanted to be an engine driver? I mean, did it start really early?
Sort of, yeah. Well, my family, we're all engineers in a family, and basically I ended up trying to find a job when I was in East Sussex at the time, couldn't find one, and found a job as a boilersmith's apprentice at a company called LNWR, owned by Pete Waterman.
Yes.
Started there back in 2005 and never looked back.
So is there still call for apprentice boilersmiths? I mean,
massively, because you've got to hand down the skills, because otherwise if I don't hand down the skills and people like me don't, then these things won't run, because these need skilled people to maintain them and put them together.
So if anybody watching this thinks they have a son or a grandson or a granddaughter or a daughter who might want to be a boilersmith, just a minute. You need a bit of muscle.
You do.
But hugely satisfying.
Massively, yeah, massively. You get to sort of stand back from the job and think, I've done that. And when it looks nice and you've done it, and massively satisfying.
Well, it's satisfying for you to do it. It's wonderful for us to look at. Jamie, thank you very much.
Well, thank you very much.